Okay, so we are going to be installing Oxygen 6 Builder 6.2, the beta, on my website, solarpoweredproject.com. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go to plugins. We're going to add a plugin. We're going to upload a plugin. Choose. We're going to go with Oxygen. It's not going to be here. It's going to be in desktop. Plugins. And we are here. Install. Okay, so it's been activated. So we're gonna have to deactivate Citadel theme. Pro Citadel. Okay, so that's that. Now let's activate its code right here. So you want to deactivate any theme. I think it does it automatically, but you want to make sure. So we would do that by going here, themes. You're using Oxygen, so WordPress theme system is entirely disabled. Okay, so it's good. Plugins. We could basically delete these already. Okay, we could deactivate these ones. So these are plugins that used to work with the old theme, but since we're not using a theme no more, we don't need it. Okay, what else do we need? Everything else looks good. Okay, now we're gonna go to Oxygen, settings. It's telling us for a key. Um, okay, we're gonna get our key right now. Okay, here's our key. Okay, we're good. Valid, active. Manage sites. Okay, those two are good. Okay, so that's activated. Um, Save changes. What does our website look like so far? We're gonna go to visit our site. And ta-da! Looks like nothing. Okay, so that's normal. Alright, so that's how you install Oxygen 6.2 beta version on WordPress. Yeah, so that's that. That's that. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. I'll probably get better, man. I'm not gonna lie. I know I suck.